Hello everyone and welcome back to today's tutorial. I thought today I would do something really quick and simple, but something that I have noticed a lot of techs struggling with, as well as myself once upon a time, and that is how to apply these little tapes. So I know a lot of people have had issues with peeling in the past. I have new techs asking me all the time how to use tapes because they end up just peeling. A lot of people will just stick them over a gel polish and top coat them. It will feel really smooth, but then the client messages them a week or so later and it's all peeled off. So I'm going to show you my foolproof method of applying tape. So starting off, I have already done 2 coats of black gel polish and cured. You will need your striping tape. I'm using the glitter tape that I do currently sell on my website, as well as some tweezers, some scissors, and also I use the Nail Perfect ridge filling top coat. Oh, trying to get my angles. There we go. But you can use any type of rubber base, any type of builder in a bottle. It all works really great. If you don't have anything like that laying around, you can use your builder gel that comes in actual physical pots. So before we apply the tape, as I mentioned before, cure your gel polish and wipe your tacky layer. So I'm just going to wipe. The problem I find if you don't wipe the tacky layer off on your gel polish, the stickiness on the gel polish can affect the stickiness on the tape, and it can go really slimy and slide around, and you do not want that. So what I'm going to do is, I thought I'd go for 2 different thicknesses. So trim a little bit off. I usually trim more than I need to. No particular reason other than I'm not really good at measuring with my eyes. Now, apply your tape. And because I have removed the tacky layer off my gel polish, I can actually rub over with my finger and not affect the polish, which is another really good reason to wipe your polish. So we have our first strip down. That's up to you. You can add multiple strips. You can add one really super thin strip. I thought I would do both. Again, no reason. Just felt like it for today. And these tweezers are really good for getting in. Probably a little bit too short. And this is why I usually cut my strips a little bit bigger than I need them. There we go. One thing I guess I was gonna say, one thing I can't help you with is once you lose the end of your tape, how to actually find it again. But for those curious, I get a little bit of alcohol on the tip of my finger and actually rub the loose bit of the tape. Then it doesn't stick to itself. Then you can find that bit really easy later on. Okay, back to our tip. I actually am going to cut this in half and use my tweezers. Right, that's one side. And then I press. You may have noticed that I have a lot of excess overhang. Now I have done that on purpose. If you were doing this on a client, I would recommend the overhang on the bottom of the nail. So make sure you sit it flush to the cuticle area. And the reason is, once I file that down with a file, which I will grab, it comes off super clean. So for your second last step, grab your builder in a bottle or your ridge filler and overlay the whole nail. And I think I grabbed my empty bottle of ridge filler. I feel like I did that last time in one of my other videos, but anyway. So grab a full bottle of your builder gel. And very, very evenly cap. Make sure you move your tip or your nail all over, because what you can do using your lamp is use your line of light to actually make sure that you have a really even coverage, and cure that for, this one is a 30-second cure in an LED lamp. So once you're cured, depending on the type of tape you use, how thick your builder gel is, if you notice that the top is not completely smooth, what I like to do is, again, wipe the tacky layer off on your design. Grab just a sponge buffer and very, very lightly buff the top of your design. You can use this exact same method for stickers, for glitter as well. If you are doing a really fine glitter and you're setting that into a gel, you can use the exact same method. So once that feels completely smooth, wipe the dust off your nail. And then we're going to go over with our soak off top coat. So once you have top coated that, cure that in your LED lamp for 30 seconds, and that is your foolproof method of securing any type of tapes or glitter tapes. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hopefully you have learned something new that you can use in salon. Hopefully this tutorial has helped you out in some way. Please leave a comment down below and make sure to like and subscribe if you want more nail related content, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!